officers were dispatched to a local target in response to a theft in progress. Upon arrival, officers come face to face with the suspected thieves.
The ominous music.
We're gonna have you come over here too.
I'm not going to I have my receipt.
We'll talk about that, but we're explaining to you right now you're both being detained. Okay? You're not free to leave. We're gonna have to get your information, figure out what's taken, because the business told us that. So
No, that's bull.
I don't know what you expect me to do. That's what they've told us.
What do you mean told you? We just literally just paid you.
I got you, but not for all the items.
What do you mean not for all the items?
So-
We went over there to customer service to freaking do a return.
Stop lying, lady. This is ours.
Yeah.
They didn't even pay for the chips.
What do you mean we didn't pay for the chips? I have my receipt right here. That she paid as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.
Nice try.
What, you want to go over there to the register? We literally just went.
I just saw you on camera. Yeah, nice try. Yeah, there she goes. Come over.
Hey, I think you got confused about where you're free to go, okay? You're not free to leave. Turn around, put your hands back under arrest.
For what?
Shoplifting.
Oh, we didn't even fucking leave out the damn store and we paid for our items.
Okay. You already got this.
Let's go ahead and walk over.
She seriously thought like she could just walk to the elevator and get on the elevator and leave.
We're just gonna wait here. Sure. And give me 1 second. I'm gonna double lock these so they don't tighten on you, okay?
Is this your receipt? Got like 3 things. And what's this receipt? What's this receipt? Bullshit one?
Which one?
He said this one, right? Yeah. But this one was good.
We didn't see anything with that one.
Okay. What's your first name, man?
You said you ID, right?
What's your last name, Dakota?
Have you ever had one?
Forget about this one?
That's not mine.
No, it's not yours. It belongs to Target.
Okay, so what does that have to do with me?
It's slow today, aren't we?
No, that's literally not mine.
Yeah, I know. It's Target. It belongs to theirs. It's in her bag.
That wasn't in my bag.
That was her bag.
That was my bag.
It was in her bag.
All right, ladies. Just gonna take a couple pictures of you. It's just for target purposes. Why'd you guys come in today? Just needed stuff, personal use. You selling it?
Feed the kids.
Feed the kids.
Top 13?
Because I have no cash. I need to feed my kids.
We're gonna do sell makeup to the kids, or
Just to confirm, is the ad
I have a buyer.
covering
That's all I got right now.
who are you selling it to? Who's your buyer?
Do you
Just
know
whoever wants to
approximately how
buy it.
old?
Because I'd rather just do that than sit there and actually sleep around.
I get it.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what
Sure, we're 10-4 for now. Thank you.
You guys sell it online, or?
She says she has a buyer, just whoever wants it.
like I said, I'd rather just do that than sit there and actually, like I said, I know it's wrong, but I don't want to be sleeping around.
Yeah, I get it.
And like, I don't have a job, so yeah. And in the process of getting my identification and everything as well.
Cool.
And I was trying to get a job as well, so that's gonna be the next step after we got done here.
I get it. There's got a reason, right?
Yeah, because off and on I work over there at the supermarket downtown. But that's usually the silver market. That's when I usually go get food and like drinks. That's what I usually work for.
Okay. Where do you sell it at?
What?
Where do you sell it? And the stuff you get, where do you sell it at?
Just whoever wants to buy it. Usually in the hood.
How do you advertise it? Like, how do you let them know you got stuff to sell?
Just go around and ask anyone that wants to buy anything
Just on the streets, or is like their house or something you go to?
in the streets. In the streets and yeah, whoever basically wants items, I guess.
You guys definitely know what you wanted. That cosmetic shit cheap.
Yeah.
All right, so both of you guys are just going to be under arrest, felony shoplifting. You have a felony warrant that we're confirming right now, so just kind of want to give you guys that update.
What's your warrant for?
So it didn't look like they had a lot of stuff in that cart. I'm kind of surprised it's reached felony, but it all depends on what state they're in. And I don't know how expensive these cosmetics are. She's got a warrant already, so the jackpot.
If he has one, do you have a cigarette?
I have a cigarette on me.
You have a cigarette on you? In that bag or what?
It's in my bag.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that downtown, okay? Right, that's right. Right, how do you spell your
Code,
name?
I'm going to have you stand up.
MARIAH.
What's your last name, Ryan?
We'll get your stuff here in a second.
Yes. What's up, guys?
We're going to walk to the second car there. Do you have any needles or anything that's going to poke you? No? Any knives? Okay. Just no needles though, that's my main concern. Okay. Let's go back up here.
Kitty call 37 Robert, code 900 all units.
Write it up. Like warning or anything like that. So it's
Can't do it with the felony.
like even if I don't sit there and set foot before like on property, sorry, I'm gonna post, but
If what?
if I don't set foot on the property,
Can't do it. It's not even my choice, it's his. So,
because I can't lose anything that I have right now. If I do, I'm gonna lose everything, and I can't lose anything. And I'm not trying to be back on the I'm not trying to be back on the street.
gotcha. But
And I'm like literally taking care of someone right now, and that's how like I get a little bit of my money instead of sitting there sleeping around or anything like that.
do
Like
you
I know
have a place I could drop her stuff off?
David 421 Robert, code
Oh, they're not
900 all
gonna
units.
sit there and they won't take it due to.
There's nothing I can do.
There's no way we can write it like as.
I just take a seat right there. Need some help.
You want one too?
Yeah.
The suspect was charged with felonious shoplifting, possession of a controlled substance, and conspiracy to commit a felony.
All right, so felonious shoplifting is how the AI announcer said it was felonious. I don't know how much. I like how they bagged their items too. The guy was like, the receipt was for like 3 items, and you see the bags. There's a lot more than 3 items in these bags, so like they just started bagging stuff and they were stealing. I don't know. A felony shoplifting charge is crazy because to me this cart looks like only half full. So what the hell were they stealing? Holy cow! Like to get a felony charge. But like I said too, it also depends on what state you're in. I'm not sure what state this was, but maybe the bar for felony is lower. Like I know in California it's like $900. Some states it could be a lot less. Anyway, this was a case where these women were just poor and they're just trying to make money. Yeah, that's not the way to go about it. Going into Target and stealing some makeup and then selling it. Not the way to do it. And they got caught. They were fucking stupid. Let me know in the comments below. You guys feel sorry for these women at all? I kind of do. At the same time, I don't. So much better ways to make some money fast. Like, it sounds like she's taking care of some kid and she needs to feed the kid. There's so much better ways to go about this. She doesn't have an ID and that sucks, but there's way better ways to go about this. There's gotta be. There's gotta be. Let me know in the comments below. Somebody without an ID, what can they do today to make 50 bucks? Feed their kid. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.